Hi, my name is Patrick Chan, the best-selling author of Wake Up Millionaire. During this video, I'm going to share with you how you can generate income from the internet. I know, it's quite a big claim to make, but you'll see how easily it can be done at the end of this video, because I've done it. Here's the story. You see, I've been using a proven way of making money online in the internet marketing niche, and I'm really pleased to announce that it has been highly profitable. Not only that, it's also currently generating income on autopilot for me. Here's exactly what I did, and that you can copy down to a T. I've developed a powerful marketing software to make money from the internet and created a new membership. But instead of selling them to customers, the software and training courses are given away for free via a secret web page that I've created, not available from any of my official websites. Now, when they requested for the software and became my new subscribers, I'll continue to send them valuable reports for free. But found in each of these emails sent, there will be a promotion of an affiliate program where I'll be able to make an affiliate commission. And sometimes I'll send them product recommendations to buy too. The products promoted are from ClickBank.com, mainly because nowadays, ClickBank only approves legitimate products into their affiliate program marketplace. This way, I know I'm promoting only good products and adding value to my subscribers. Secondly, the typical commission package for a ClickBank product is around 50%. Let me sum up the whole system into 3 simple steps, and they'll look like this. Step number 1. New subscribers subscribe from a secret web page to get my marketing software for free. Step 2. Automated emails are being sent out to the new subscribers. Step 3. Money is guaranteed when the subscribers buy the valuable products promoted in the automated emails. This simple to follow model has been very profitable for me, but the truth is, it's unlikely that a newbie can pull this off successfully. Even an intermediate internet marketer would struggle. Why? Well, it's not easy to create a top-notch web page that can convert subscribers very well. Also, putting the effort to continue testing it for improvement is tough. It's not easy to come up with an attractive but free offer that can entice the visitor to subscribe. Our secret web page can convert subscribers at almost a 50% conversion rate. Newbies do not have any proven credibility in the internet marketing niche. Therefore, it is very hard to command any attention from visitors and subscribers. Unless the newbie is in the market long enough, he or she wouldn't know what products to promote or how to promote them effectively. Most newbies don't have the technical software and know-how to get started. Domain name, hosting, an autoresponder for emailing, and so on. Not to mention, all of these can be quite overwhelming to understand. Many simply do not have the time to create a membership program and be able to continually add content inside it. Without ongoing content, you'll lose the subscribers quickly. They would also need to be true masters of email marketing, because the fact is, the money is really made by sending carefully crafted emails. Despite what the gurus have been pitching before, it's not entirely true that there is zero cost to start a solid internet business. There are costs involved, especially with hiring designers, writers, etc. On top of that, hosting and autoresponders are a monthly cost. When a newbie gets started, he or she needs a coach for guidance and advice. But the most complex matter of all is structuring a system that can be highly profitable going forward. But what if the newbies can leverage on and use my entire system without paying any loyalty or licensing fee? And I'll even train them for free. In a nutshell, clone my entire business system so that I can generate affiliate commissions for you. But before I continue any further, let me share with you a little bit about myself so that you know that I'm real. The fact is, there is a lot of noise out there. Sometimes you don't even know who's real and who isn't. Firstly, I don't hide behind a computer screen. This is me. I've also spoken to audiences in 11 countries as an internet marketing authority and have authored several books. One of my latest physical books is Clicking Cash, which is co-authored by Robert G. Allen, the New York Times best-selling author of multiple streams of income, 1 Minute Millionaire, Cracking the Millionaire Code, Cash in a Flash, and many more big hits. Here's a testimonial from Bill Bartman, the billionaire coach who became the 25th wealthiest person in America. This is the best book I've read about creating wealth and making money from the internet, period. The internet is one of the fastest ways to create multiple streams of income, and clicking cash can show you how. Read this book as soon as possible. Here's a testimonial from the founder of ClickFunnels and top internet marketer, Russell Brunson. My testimonials range from ordinary people right up to millionaires. The only reason why I'm telling you this today is because my strategies work, period. Newbies use them to quit their jobs, while experienced marketers use them to make bigger 6- and 7-figure incomes. More importantly, I've been in your shoes before, struggling to make money online when I first started. Way back to 2003 to be precise. It took me almost a year to crack the code. During the following year, I was featured on Google News about me making $21,560.26 from home. Google News was still in its beta phase then. Well, that was more than 10 years ago. Today, I've made much more than that. But that's enough about me, because this video is not about me at all. It's really about you. My 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. I personally guarantee that if you make an honest effort to learn, follow the instructions, and effectively use the CB Passive Income License Program, you can be making money from the internet very shortly. Maybe in just a few days from now, you would have recouped your investment. But if you are not 100% satisfied with it for whatever reason, let me know within the next 60 days and I'll issue you an immediate, hassle-free 100% refund. I'm taking all the risks to make sure that you can be wildly successful. It's really as simple as that. Seriously, put the CB Passive Income System to work for you. It's the ultimate way to start making ClickBank affiliate commissions and money online. If you are really ready to start a real internet business and start making serious money while you sleep, the best decision you can make is to get your license purchased right now. The truth is, because of this internet wealth I get to enjoy, I'm able to do a lot of neat things. I get to spend time enjoying my hobbies. This is me swimming with a turtle in one of the most beautiful diving spots in the world. I get to go on vacations whenever I like with my wife, like taking hot air balloon flights or enjoying a holiday in Hawaii. This is my weekend home, but more importantly, I get to spend some great time with my family here. This is all possible because I started my own online business. If you don't start one, please understand that nothing's going to happen like this for you. Click the order button on this page and I'll walk you through the system today to get started. See you inside.